Hello everyone, welcome to Small Woodlot. Well, as you can see, today we're at the farm. I gotta do a little bit of fence repair before we bring the horses over to this pasture. Right here at this corner of the pasture. These fence posts are short, they're weak, they're not in the ground far enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and replant a post here right at the very corner of the building, tied into these two without the gate. So we're going to tighten all this up here quite a bit. All right, that's going to be our first part of business. We already brought down more hay inside the barn, so we're going to take care of that. Hey there. Hello. The farm's garbage collectors. Come on. Want scratchy? Who wants a scratchy? Huh? Yeah, I got no treats for you. Come on. All right, they're being skittish, but they're happy. Horses are happy. They're back out in their winter pasture. That was our goal today. One of them. One of the last videos you saw, I'd painted this side of the bus. We started pulling the masking off of it. It's a 50-65 paint job. 50 feet, 65 miles an hour. It'll look good. But I finally managed to get this side painted. And well, it get a little cold for me, so I'm getting out of here. Y'all have a good day.